Hello YouTube, it's the 26th of March 2022. Not really a dream, but something always in the back of my mind, but an opportunity presented itself, and so I now own a siren. Let me get it all focused here. You can hear it make noise. But yeah, here it is. This is a Federal Sign and Signal STH-10A model, and it's got a Valley motor on it. At least some people who are in the know on these things say that's a Valley motor. I'm going to take their word on it, but this thing dates to 1957 according to some people. And so I got it in the house this afternoon, and I've been busy on it all afternoon starting the disassembly process. I'll get another autofocus again here. Boom. Actually, this isn't going to work because I got to go in on these here. So these are the leads to the motor. Boom, there's the motor leads. And then I got all the horns off. There are the horns down there. All 12 of them. And an awful lot of busted mounting hardware. You see all those nuts. Most of them are busted. Very few of them actually came out intact. But yeah, there is the... I'll let it focus here. Come on. So yeah, I'll let it focus. There's the motor tag for any of you who are interested. And then that's kind of looking into the chopper there. Now this came from the City Hall roof in Independence, Iowa. And it's got the federal roof mount, but it actually has it's been modified so that there's a tripod on it, and the tripod actually is fortuitous because I can just stand this thing up in the garage and I don't have to support it or hold it or anything to keep it from falling over, and I can just work on it as is. I think at some point this might have had some red paint on it. Come on, camera focus. So yeah, it had some red paint on it. But I don't think that the motor itself was ever painted, so it's just all cast iron. I don't know about this. This might have been painted, or they might have had some spray on it, but anyways, I own a siren, so you know, I'm not as celebratory as you might think I am, but believe me, I'm damn excited to have this thing. Come on, camera autofocus, do your thing. This LCD screen on my camera isn't precise enough, unfortunately, to do autofocusing. If I hit the zoom button when it's recording, it doesn't let me manually focus it. So, because yeah, if I flip the camera, I found out if I flip the camera to manual focus and I come in and I try and focus it, I mean, like, I kind of got to do one of these things here. But when I back up, it's really hard to get it fine-tuned. I think that's where it needs to be focused. But anyways, I'm going to leave this video today. I'm going to show you all some videos that I took in Independence this morning when they actually loaded the things up. And special thanks to the city crew guy for coming in on his weekend off. So yeah, without further ado, here's that video.
Yeah, it'll be alright. Wrap around the arm to it? Yeah.
go up? Can you go up and curl and have this? How far down can you curl? So anyway, you can kind of see tools that I've got out now. But the goal is to get this thing disassembled, or at least get it disassembled as much as I feel comfortable doing, cleaning it out, painting it, and then reassembling it. And I'm just... See, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this thing up to SirenCon in June. Depends on how difficult this thing proves to be in restoring. But and also, this is my first siren too, so I'm probably going to be asking a lot of you guys for help along the way. But yeah, that's going to kind of do it for this video now. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.